G'day, how you going? Welcome back to the channel. Today is National Sorry Day for Aboriginals in Australia, and I'm at Parramatta Park and the old governor's house. I'm going to see if I can take some photos with this bazooka hit. With this bazooka, 200 to 800 full frame equivalent at an event photography. Rob, Jerry, what the hell are you thinking? Let's go anyway. It looks like Jerry, they won't let Jerry in because there's too many people, so Jerry, probably a good thing because I bought my bazooka thinking I was going to zoom in on people's faces. I think I like that kind of photography when I go out and film events, like street photography events. Not street photography, but events, like I did with that Palestinian one, where you zoom in on people's like close-ups. It's almost like taking portraits in public. Hey Jerry, It's really meant for wildlife. I don't know why the hell I brought it, but I thought I'd use that 100mm end to zoom in on people's faces. What do you want to do then? It's your fault we can't go in there, Jerry. Yeah.
Our land is our heartbeat, and it stretches from the mountains to the sea.
My mum said, oh, well, the way she's happy, she's gone. We crossed the river there and we went across the nice river out down to what at that time I was 10 years old. And I was the oldest kid on the list. But when we got there,
actually the 100 to 400 it was really good because you could stand back with Jerry and not interfere with anyone and not get in anyone's face. That's the beauty of it, because you don't have to get in anyone's face. You're miles away and you can still get a good close-up photo.
Cool. So next up,
so I really thought maybe some of those shots of the dancers and with the backdrop of the door, and yeah, it's really handy having a 100 to 400 at an event. Jerry, this way, be careful.
And then we end up taking this one and we get it and bob it on the head to like pop it to sleep. So it doesn't feel any more pain.
That's what I have on.
I guess the 12 to 200 would be good. That would probably be the ultimate 12 to 200 lens for everything, you know. That way you don't know if you're going to get up close or you have to stay back. I mean, not everyone has a bloody dog with them. Gary, did you take some good photos? Yeah. There you go. Who says you can't do event photography with a 200 to 800? 200 to 800 event photography. I tell you what, I had to get real far back, but that was actually good because I wasn't in anyone's face and I was getting the natural expression or natural look or whatever you know what I mean. They didn't know the camera was on them, so you get a different look when that happens. You know, the voyeuristic look. Voyeuristic look? That sounds creepy. But you know what I mean. I mean, it's the wrong lens to bring, of course, especially on a micro four thirds. There was one photographer there, he had a pretty big similar sized lens as this, but obviously he was shooting full frame. So anyway, bit of fun on the weekend, get out, and I learned something today. I hope you did too, about National Sorry Day for Aborigines, and I think I'm becoming the local suburban photographer. Just your average suburban photographer. I'll change the name of the channel to that. Gary, are you the average suburban dog who likes to have a good scratch?